Digital nomads may face legal considerations when working in different countries. It is important to research the legal requirements for working in each country and obtain appropriate visas and work permits. Tax regulations may also vary from country to country. Having legal assistance can help navigate the complexities of international business laws. In addition to the factors discussed above, there are certain qualities and skills that are essential for digital nomads. Self-discipline and motivation are critical for success as a remote worker. Digital nomads must be able to focus on their work despite the constant distractions of travel and new experiences. They must also be adaptable and flexible since they may encounter unexpected challenges while working in different locations. Problem-solving skills are also important for digital nomads since they may not have access to the same resources as they would in a traditional office setting. Another quality that can be beneficial for digital nomads is language proficiency. Being able to speak multiple languages can open up new opportunities for business and networking. It can also help facilitate communication with clients and team members who may not speak English as their first language. While being a digital nomad can offer many advantages, there are also certain downsides to this lifestyle. It can be lonely at times, especially if the digital nomad is traveling alone without friends or family. It can also be difficult to establish a sense of community and belonging when working remotely. Additionally, there may be times when the nomad misses out on important family events or milestones due to work commitments. Despite these challenges, many people are attracted to the freedom and flexibility offered by the digital nomad lifestyle. With the right mindset, skills, and tools, it is possible to successfully manage a business remotely from anywhere in the world. As technology continues to advance and the demand for remote work increases, we can expect to see more people adopting the digital nomad lifestyle. In addition to the qualities and skills discussed above, there are also certain types of businesses that are better suited for remote management by digital nomads. Businesses that are heavily reliant on technology, such as e-commerce, software development, and online marketing, can be managed remotely with ease. Service-based businesses, such as coaching or consulting, are also well suited for digital nomad lifestyle since they can be managed from anywhere with an internet connection. On the other hand, businesses that require a physical presence, such as retail or hospitality, may not be as suitable for digital nomads. However, even businesses that require a physical presence can benefit from remote management to some extent. For example, a retail business may still be able to manage its online presence remotely while also managing the physical store. One thing to keep in mind for digital nomads is the importance of a strong online presence. When managing a business remotely, the online presence of the business is often the first point of contact for potential clients and customers. A strong online presence can help attract new clients and build a strong reputation. This includes having a website, social media accounts, and other online marketing channels. In addition to the benefits discussed above, the digital nomad lifestyle can also have a positive impact on the environment. Since digital nomads do not have a fixed location, they are not consuming resources in a single location. They also do not have a daily commute, which can reduce pollution. This can help reduce the carbon footprint of the business and contribute to a more sustainable future. Furthermore, The digital nomad lifestyle can also help promote cultural exchange and understanding. By traveling to different countries and experiencing different cultures, digital nomads can gain a broader perspective on the world. This can help promote empathy and understanding, which is important in an increasingly globalized world. Despite its advantages, the digital nomad lifestyle is not for everyone. It requires a certain level of self-discipline, dedication, and organization. It also requires a willingness to adapt to new